So, like I told you, today we're going to be talking about what are the don'ts of virtual interviews. So before we actually talk about what are the don'ts, like I've already mentioned, do not like consider virtual interviews any less important. So the very first thing that you're supposed to avoid in virtual interviews is understand that there are there's a very limited time when you're actually doing virtual interviews. Okay, so there's going to be a short time when you have a when you have an interview. So most importantly, that you have to consider that in those 20 minutes or in those 25 minutes or in those 30 minutes, whatever time you have that interview for, you have to make sure that you're using it right. Do not take too long to respond or do not take too much time when you're actually in that interview. So that is one major don't when you are in a virtual interview. Okay, why again do not take a lot of time? Because you have limited time when why you're doing virtual interviews. First, to fasten the process. While you're fastening the process, we need to, yeah,
Hi,
finally Nishita, hi.
hi. How are you, Mansi? Sorry for the delay.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm good. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay. That's great. That's absolutely no problem. We understood that there was some tech glitch
Yeah.
from your end. That's super cool. We were talking about the like don'ts of virtual interviews, and we
Yeah.
already finished one where we were talking about that you should not take too long to respond, or take too much time in a virtual interview. Okay,
Yeah.
because again already there is like very little time, and when there is little time, if you waste a lot of time, discussing small details, or if you take
Yeah.
too long to respond, it's going to be, problematic. So that is what we're going to avoid. Again, before moving on to the other pointers, I would like to introduce Ishita to everyone. Ishita is, she had come here for an interview segment the previous time also. Do you remember her?
Yeah.
Ishita, can you please give a very quick introduction?
Okay. So, hi there. I came last time also, and you may be familiar with me. And I am I'm in currently in fourth year, pursuing BTech CSE from LPU. So I'm a student, and I am here to take some quick tips from Mansi about my interviews and about the virtual interview tips. So, can you help me with it?
Of course. Okay, so like I said, why are virtual interviews important? Because now, if you see all our interviews that happened because of the pandemic, because of the work from home pattern, they've happened on like virtually. They've happened on Zoom, they've happened on Google Meet. So, what are the things that you should avoid specifically? And because you have only one shot, because we don't really have a lot of time to understand the learner, understand the interviewee when the interview is going on, because it's a virtual interview. You're not actually meeting the person one on one. So there are, there's very little chance for you to actually show that you are the right candidate. At the same time, you have very high chances of not being liked because you have limited time, right?
Yeah.
So for the same reason, one, I've mentioned, like, do not take a lot of time. Taking a lot of time is a big kill. Okay. Second thing that is like an absolute, problem when it comes to virtual interviews, and it can actually be problematic. It can, like, create a really bad impression, and that is an unstable Wi-Fi and an internet connection. Now, I know
Yeah.
that tech glitches are common, but because you have only one shot at interviews, no, I also have to take, certain interviews. We have like certain rounds of interviews with certain people, and I know that if once the person has major internet issues, we don't really, like, we tell them like, okay, we'll how about we connect once your reception is better. But
Yeah.
do we actually connect with them? Do we actually get the time to go back and follow up कि okay अभी आपका internet connection सही है क्या? उतना we don't have a lot of time. So for
Yeah.
that reason, it's always better that you have a stable Wi-Fi. Plus at the same time, what's happening is when you're talking and you're asking questions, that अगर constantly glitch होता है,
Yeah,
right?
it will irritate the person.
Yeah, absolutely irritate the person. So Anya, if you have any questions, like you're asking me something, and I go like, yeah, and then I glitch. Then again, you're asking me something, so it becomes like super irritating, and the interviewer, even if you're a good candidate, probably might lose interest. So it's always better that you have at least two options for your Wi-Fi if you have a proper Wi-Fi pool. If not, even if you have your own mobile data, make sure you have at least one more hotspot backup.
Yeah.
Okay?
So that you can at least
Then.
switch the connection, and you can say like just wait for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I will switch it, like, yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
You
If
should
you
have
have no
option.
backup, आप क्या बोलेंगे कि हम wait करेंगे better reception का? करिए
You should
भगवान
have an option. Yeah.
हाँ भगवान करेंगे कुछ तो. So let's not do that. Let's actually have a backup. Then third thing again, which can be really annoying, is a disturbing surrounding or the wrong ambience, the wrong environment. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
if you are in an interview, okay, Ishita, and let's just say आपके पीछे से गाने बज रहे
Construction
हैं,
चल रहा है.
गाने. Okay, if there's this music playing in the background, and like people are chilling, and there's a lot of noise, and because we stay at home, our families are screaming, and then again
Yeah.
probably there's some other thing happening. So
Construction चल रहा है कहीं पे. Yeah, I can
of course,
understand.
this is what a normal Indian household would look
Yeah.
on a normal day. But because it's an interview, of course, you don't want these factors to contribute to the disturbance, and then again contribute to you not being uh, selected for the position. So in
Yeah,
that case,
obviously.
it's always better that you choose a time slot for the interview where you think there'll be the least amount of noise.
Disturbance, yeah.
ठीक है. So for example, like what is the time when you will be free during the day, ज्यादा कुछ construction नहीं होगा, आपके family members भी chill रहेंगे, चुप रहेंगे. Schedule an interview that time. If you think that is also difficult, make sure that you're sitting in a place where you don't have a lot of disturbance. Plus, while that is also there, again, Indian houses, you're going to have family members who are super nosy, and yeah, but still
कोई पीछे से
have
बात कर
proper
रहा है,
information.
चिल्ला रहा है.
Let's inform our family members before that. Also, with respect to the background, make sure that you're sitting, in front of a plain wall or something. It shouldn't be like super shabby, where they can actually, see what is happening around, where they can actually see all your family
Yeah.
members. और फिर पीछे से आपकी मम्मी, hi. So that should not be the case. Okay, you shouldn't anything should not contribute to the disturbance. Okay. So yeah, Yash Sharma here is asking what is the topic of discussion here. So today we are talking about don'ts of virtual interviews. What are the things that you're supposed to avoid when you are actually in a virtual interview? Okay. So we talked about three things already. Let's talk about the fourth one. Okay. Now when we're talking about the fourth one, Ishita, what do you think? How should an interviewee look on the day of an interview, or what do you expect from an interviewee if that person is come for an interview? What do you expect?
First of all, it should be like super formal.
Okay.
Yeah, formal, and no casual attitude should be there. Like, may proper groomed, maintained. कि लग रहा है भाई serious है.
Okay. So generally, what is expected is that you come to you're serious about the whole thing. You come prepared with answers. You come
Prepared,
prepared
yeah.
with your your documents and stuff. Your answers, your theoretical knowledge has been discussed. I mean, practice. You practice everything and you're prepared. Now imagine that you are taking an interview. Okay, I'm asking everybody here. Imagine you are taking an interview and you meet the person who's come for the interview, and the person is like super chill, like, hi, good morning. How would you like it? Would you like that? And the person is wearing super casual clothes, and the person is sitting also very casually. Now, see, understand, we all understand we're working from home, but that does not mean that you wear your, casual clothes, your tracksuit. Wear the right clothes. Okay, wear the right clothes, have the right attitude, the way you're going to be sitting, the way you're going to be acting in an actual interview. Make sure you do that. Now, a lot of people will say, "ये बोलने की जरूरत क्या है? हमको पता है, we need the job, and of course we know this. This is basics." But that's not the case. That's not the case at all. A lot of times I've seen in interviews recently also, during the lockdown specifically, that during interviews, especially freshers, they really don't know how to look in the virtual interview. They think it's just a video call or something, and they act like it, which is not cool. Okay, even if you are not using your laptop, if you're going to use your phone, make sure that you set it in ways that it looks okay. Don't hold it in your hand like you're roaming around, for a casual, video
Yeah, yeah.
call with your friend. Keep it in one place. Don't hold it in your hand. Okay. Also, when I say your attire, yes, make sure that you're wearing formals. Now, again, no one's going to check your whole clothes. So, yeah, you can wear, uh, wear your formal shirt and something. Then below that, wear whatever you want to. Again, when I say approach, make sure that you are completely focused on the person who's talking to you on screen. Make sure that you're answering the questions in the right way. Just because it is a virtual meeting does not mean that um,
There's a
that you take it any less seriously. Yes.
Yeah, there's a question, and it is, can we get 100% placement in Board Infinity?
So, Prajwal, first of all, we are actually here talking about Alpha Board, which is the English Communication and Soft Skills vertical. So, I would rather request you to ask questions about Alpha Board, okay? But yes, definitely you do get 100% placements on Board Infinity if you are eligible with respect to certain marks. Now that details, you can actually ask Board Infinity. You can drop your contact details, and we will definitely get back to you with respect to that. Okay? Okay, Prajwal. I hope that answers your question.
Mm.
So
Yeah,
coming back to our casual attitude, like I mentioned, let us not be casual. Let's take this seriously. Okay? Now, on the same line, one of the things that you're supposed to avoid is do not do anything that will restrict you from responding to the interviewer's questions right now. A lot of times you will see there are 2 to 3 people who are joining for the interview, and because it is virtual, तो अभी सबको compulsion नहीं है कि वो अपना camera on रखे. So that does not
yeah.
mean तुम भी तुम्हारा camera off रखो.
Yeah,
Okay, you are the interviewee. Your camera has to be on. If you see that the interviewers' cameras are not on, don't turn off your camera. Also, you can
yeah.
ask them hi, should I be turning off my camera? Is it like just for audio? You can ask them nicely. Don't be like, अरे उसने भी तो नहीं रखा था तो मैं भी बंद करूँगा. Don't do that. Keep the
Yeah,
cameras on. Also, when I say do not do anything else from responding to, apart from responding to the interviewer, don't watch TV.
yeah.
Don't
Don't
eat.
distract.
Don't do anything that is distracting. Don't play video games. Now, a lot of times you also have just like we have group discussion rounds, you have like a group rounds in interviews which happen virtually also. So just because at that time someone else is talking and I am not being questioned, don't be distracted and do something else. See, आप अगर देखो Zoom पे, Google Meet पे, we can see everyone's screens, everyone's styles.
Yeah,
Okay, so there are other people, even if let's just say if Ishita is a part of that group and Ishita is talking, there are 10 more other people, and I'm also part of the interview and I'm not talking, what am I going to do in free time? I'm going to look at the other people.
yeah,
And that time when you do something stupid, it is seen.
yeah.
Right, Ishita? So you
And
also must be
actually,
a part
one
of that.
time I was there in an interview, and a girl was there, and she was like biting her nails, and it was super
Okay.
distracting for me, and I guess for interviewers also, like to see that thing, like biting the nails and feeling like she's super nervous, and it was the thing, and I guess it shouldn't be there. Like we shouldn't do that things like there in an interview.
Right. See, constantly you're going to be your camera is on, you're being watched. I think so.
Yeah,
So that you should be very careful about it. Okay.
yeah,
Next thing, what is also important is that do not do not rely on cheating. Now, what I mean by cheating is like it's not Viva. Remember, interviews are not Vivas. कि आप यहाँ पे, like if your laptop screen's there, your phone screen's there, you can just, stick sticky notes and write down things, or you have Google on in the background, and if someone
Yeah.
asks you a question, you're like, yeah, this is the answer. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, it
Yeah.
might work sometimes, it might work once, it might work twice, but if you're constantly looking, away from the camera, जैसे अभी मैं आपसे अगर बात कर रही हूँ, and if I,
Yeah.
like Ishita, I think you can also gauge if I'm not looking at you, and yeah, I do this, and then yeah, Ishita, yes, yes, yes,
I can understand that your concentration is not with me. Like, yeah, I will see that.
right, right. So in that case, make sure that even if you're going to copy things, be so good at it that you're not being caught. But again, nobody's so good at it because like even if you like slightly move your eyes away from the camera, it is visible and you look distracted. So don't do anything. Do not depend on cheating. It's a virtual interview. Practice, prepare beforehand. I don't think there's going to be anything which is so difficult that you won't be able to answer in an interview. Okay, always
Yeah.
remember, almost like 80% questions are self-related questions. Okay, those are questions जो आपके related होते हैं. We have discussed those questions. We've also discussed. There was a whole segment for salary
Yeah.
negotiation. We've also discussed a whole segment of etiquettes and tips. If you do not know that, if you have missed that, go back to AlphaBot. You will see, on the IGTV, you will see all these topics being covered. Please watch them. Okay, so because we've already discussed these questions, 90% I've said, 82, I think, yeah, 80% of questions are self-related questions. You are not going to have any question which will be so difficult जो आप आंसर नहीं कर सकते. तो अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन है भी जो आप आंसर नहीं कर पा रहे हैं,
It's
just
okay to
say
say
I
no.
don't know. Yeah,
Yeah.
just say I
It's
don't know.
okay
I
to
think
say.
we've discussed this as well, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, again, so do not cheat because it will look really funny. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And the last thing, most importantly, do not get flustered if there are net teachers. Okay? Now, remember that these interviews are happening on some like Zoom, Google Meet, or probably some other platform. Okay, and technical failures are bound to happen. Okay, so like today, Ishita had this slide, delay in coming. So she had some technical failure, but that was not like a big thing. It happens. It is raining. Abhi ke liye, for now, we can say that it is raining. The other times you do have Wi-Fi failures. You have your laptop being getting hung up in the middle. You have a lot of other reasons why there could be technical glitches, and that's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
So don't panic because okay, अरे मैं drop हो गया meeting से. I do have a lot of like this happens a lot with freshers who have not using Zoom and Google Meet a lot. So they become like really nervous कि नहीं मैं meeting से बाहर हो गया वो sorry I'll just join back, and I'm like yeah chill, relax. It's okay. It's okay. It is not a big deal. So Ishita, if you also face any tech glitches in the future, it's okay. You can just
Yeah.
drop a message. Yeah, if you're not able to rejoin, just drop a message. Hi, there's a technical failure, or there are some network issues. I'm trying to rejoin. If you're not able to rejoin, just don't waste their time. मैं join कर रहा हूँ. I'm going to join, and then you don't join. That will become problem.
That will become a problem. Yeah. That will irritate
Okay.
them. Yeah.
Of course. If someone tells me that I am just about to join and I'm waiting for you in the meeting, it's going to be super annoying if you don't join on time. So yeah, this is also a major don't. Please be punctual. Okay, in an actual interview, people might wait also, but in a virtual interview, waiting and looking at the blank screen is super annoying. Just don't be late. If you're going to be late, tell them that yeah, I'm actually, probably facing this problem, or I'll be joining exactly at this time or in 5 minutes. Then they'll wait. But if you tell them, no, I'm joining, and you do not do that be it because of, technical failures, or I don't know, because you're just a lazy person in general by birth. So avoid that absolutely, like completely avoid it. Okay.
So
So
there
talking
is a
about,
question. There's a
Mhm.
question. So what to do if we got confused while answering a question?
Again, confusion is okay, but there are questions where confusion is not okay at all. So I'd like to know the context of the question. Okay. So again, understand that there are three types of questions. Generally, there will be self-related questions, there will be theory-related questions, and there will be hypothetical questions, which are like, situation-based.
Situational based. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're getting confused, first let's see, like, is it because you have not understood the question? If that is the case, ask them, can you please elaborate? Can you please, explain further? That's fine. If you're confused in that sense with respect to the question, ask them. अगर आपको question समझा है and after that you worried, okay, what is the answer? Again, I told you, you need to understand the context of the question. If it is a self-related question, if you're confused, it is going to create a bad impression. So I would say gain more clarity, think of what the questions could be, go back, understand what could be the common questions. If you don't have a proper answer, you can just give something that you understood. Like, I think this can be the right answer, or this should be, this is my perspective, and then just give a small answer. Don't give any, risky answers. We've discussed this also, safe answers and slightly tricky answers in our previous segments. I would request you to go back and watch the Alpha Board IGTV again. But in short, if it is a theory-related question or a hypothetical situation and then you are confused, you can definitely put forth what you're thinking very clearly. That I think this is the case, but I'm confused here. So I don't really know a lot here. Be honest, it's fine, it's absolutely fine. But if it
Yeah.
is a self-related question, Keith, what is, like, why should we hire you? And that time if you say I'm confused, then it doesn't make sense. Okay, then it absolutely makes no sense. You should know things about yourself. Okay, so yeah, do we have any more questions? I think we've discussed majorly, we've discussed like 7 to 8 pointers of what are the things that you should avoid, what are the things that you should avoid. One, don't waste a lot of time in of the interviewer or while you're responding, because it's a virtual interview, it's supposed to happen quickly. Have a
Yeah.
good Wi-Fi connection. Do not have, a disturbing ambience wherever you're sitting. Make sure you're not being very casual about the whole thing. It's a formal meeting, it's a formal interview.
Yeah.
Make sure that you are, treating it like a proper face-to-face interview.
Proper
You
interview.
do
Yeah.
not do anything that will disrespect the other person or
Yeah.
disrespect the other person's time. Okay? Then
Yeah.
we discussed, do not do anything that will show that you are not paying attention towards the interviewer. Let's just say, do not be distracted. Don't look here and there. Don't sit awkwardly. Don't eat. Don't eat on camera. Plus, like your meetings can be recorded, right? So we do not.
Yeah.
Let's just say if it's a group interview where you have some group GD round or something. Generally, these sessions are recorded, so you do not want to keep a proof of your stupidity on camera in some
Yeah.
organization system. Do you know, right? So don't do anything
No.
awkward. Of course, I'm
Yeah.
not saying to be very rigid, but yeah, don't do anything awkward. Okay? Then do not cheat. Okay, Ishita, why did I say do not cheat?
Because it won't be like interviewer will guess like you are not confident and you are not prepared. They will get to know
And it
that.
looks funny. है ना?
It will
I
look
told you
fun.
it will
Yeah.
look funny. So
Yeah.
if someone is asking a question और आपको आंसर नहीं पता, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? अच्छा, what did you say? Till then you're typing like, yeah. What did you say?
Okay.
And then you're
Voice
typing and you get
search.
the answer, and then you're like, so the answer is, I think this. So when I was doing the whole thing, it is very obvious that people will be able to make out that you're actually cheating, or even if you have
Yeah.
notes written somewhere, don't. It'll create a bad impression. Okay, so avoid that completely. And lastly, like I told you, it is absolutely okay to have technical failures. It's absolutely fine if there's a power cut. You lose internet. You drop out from the meeting. Just drop them a message saying, like ऐसा है. I'm trying to reconnect. Do not waste time of the interviewer by saying that you're going to reconnect, but you don't. आधे घंटे बाद आप बोलते हो
Yeah.
कि sorry, I can't rejoin.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nothing.
so that won't
Yeah.
work out. That absolutely won't work out. So yeah, if you
In
guys have any more questions, then probably you can answer that related to queries. Do you have any questions, guys? We'd
so
be
I guess
more than
in
welcome. Yeah.
total it is I guess in total it is like be as much serious as you can be for an like in-person interview. So virtual interviews are also like that, and you have to treat them like once because if you don't treat them like seriously, and they will automatically be ruined because of your behavior and because of your attitude.
Right, right, right. So in the upcoming session, we'll be talking about, what probably should be done in virtual interviews. Also, most importantly, it's not a don't of a virtual interview, but it's something that you should follow up. Okay? Always follow up after you are done with interviews. So let's just say आज आपका interview हुआ, after some time, after the interview is done, you can say, like, thank you. Thank you for your time, and I'm looking forward to working with you. So that shows interest. Once that is done, let's just say after the next day, probably the next day, Ishita, make sure if you are going to go for an interview, you drop them a text the next day saying, okay, so I'd like to know more. Is there any update? Or something, some follow up, like thank you for the interview yesterday. Is there any update? So that shows that you are keen and you're willing to start immediately, and that you're really, really, excited about the opportunity and you're serious.
Enthusiastic.
Absolutely. We want enthusiastic people working with us. So in that case, make sure that yeah, you are following up. Okay. So
So
I
there's a
think we.
question.
Mhm.
Can we give half answers if complete details are not known?
It depends. Who has asked this question? I am very curious now.
It is from technical evangelist. Technical
Evangelist, technical
evangelist.
evangelist. Okay, anime. I think this person watched anime. Hi. So what I see is, see, half answers would also make sense, but if it is very obvious that you're giving half answers, okay. Again, let's just say there are two parts of a question, and you answer only the first part.
Yeah.
It is going to annoy me if I am asking something मैं genuinely जानना चाहती हूँ कोई information. I have asked you two questions or two parts. There are two parts to the question, and you answer only one or you address only one. It is
Yeah.
going to be like really annoying. If there is so in such a case, if there are two parts to a question and you answer only one, you can tell that for this aspect I would need to think more. I would need to bring more clarity. Be honest. It's okay if you do not know answers. It's
So
absolutely
you
okay if
have
you do
to
not
tell
know
that
answers.
I don't know about this answer, but you don't have to ignore that thing. Like उसको ignore कर
Yeah,
दिया
it
बस
is.
सिर्फ बता दिया.
It is the वो दिख जाएगा. Okay, so it's like it'll be very obvious that you are avoiding certain things. If it is an answer about you, half answer I would say rather than calling it half answers, you can stick to shorter answers. Where you're not elaborating a lot. But again, there are certain questions where you need elaboration. So again, see, most of the questions are going to be related to you. So I would say go prepare. Without preparation, if you go and if there are questions which are okay, slightly tedious, then of course the situation will arise. But if you are prepared, at least with your own information, I don't think ये problem आएगा. Half
Yeah.
answers नहीं बोलना, short answers आप बोल सकते हैं, not half answers. Okay? I hope that answers your question.
Okay, that
क्योंकि
anime
क्या
guy, technical evangelist, that guy is named Abhinav. So,
okay,
so you can say
okay.
hi.
Okay, great. Nice. Thanks, Abhinav. That was the interesting question. Interesting question. So, okay, if we do not have any more questions, then we can probably end this session and we can catch up in the upcoming session. So, yeah, thanks, guys. It was, really fun today as well. And I thank you, Ishita.
Yeah, you're
I'm happy
welcome.
to join, and I wish we could actually, catch up probably in the upcoming
Yeah.
sessions also. So yeah, thank you to everyone who joined today. And if you are new here or you've come for the first time, even if you've not come here for the first time but you've not followed Alpha Board, make sure that you have follow Alpha Board now. Okay? So we have regular sessions like these on Instagram where we talk about employability skills, where we talk about interview related, placement related skills, and communication skills. And if you do not want to miss out anything like that, make sure you follow Alpha Board. Okay? Understood?
Yes,
I hope
guys,
you do that.
follow Alpha Board as soon as it is possible.